Okay, this is David McRitchie. I'm creating a demonstration video checking spelling, grammar, and links with free extensions and software. I've chose to record this with Apowersoft free online screen recorder. You have to install the launcher, and then you have to set some parameters. It's done online, and you have to know where to start. I went through the whole sequence without doing anything, not recording. I thought I was recording, but now anyway I am recording. And so I'm going to go to a web page on Don's notes to check the spelling. I chose his pages because they have great content and general interest, but they really need to correct the spelling errors. So I'm leaving Evernote. Continue. And this is his page. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to run a bookmarklet, and I'll show you what this bookmarklet contains. Control A, C. So now I'm going to run the bookmarklet now. It's going to put it into edit mode. And in edit mode, I can make any changes to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the bookmarklet looks like. It's a JavaScript list. That's all it is. And then, okay, let's just remove this. Why don't we just remove this also? Okay, now we're into edit mode. Then we're going to go to check the spelling and grammar. This is done with Grammarly. We're going to turn off spelling. We're going to turn off the synonyms. We're going to turn these two things back on, and we're going to leave that and come back to the web page and wait. There we go. Okay, so now we're checking spelling and grammar. So we're going to fix this. It wants a hyphen to correct the spelling, wants to combine these to correct the spelling, wants to remove the comma, wants to change involving to involved, wants to change the British spelling to the American spelling, wants with a hyphen here, and wants to remove the comma, and we're not going to touch a link, but it does want a comma after it. It wants to remove the comma. I'm used to seeing it with a comma, but I'll remove it. Can't remove that. Won't make any sense if I remove that. And down needs to be viewer's eyes and wants commas around the thing. Again, we're not going to touch the links. Okay, so then Don, if he wants to correct his pages, he would make these actual changes into his source. The next thing to do is to check the links. This is Check My Links. This is a Chrome extension, as was Grammarly.
Greater than essentially, Google Glass is a wearable computer built into spectacle frames.
Get that. Okay, how do I get this out? What did I check on here? Sound, something or other. Oh, it's gone. Okay, spelling's corrected. Now we're going to check the links. And I guess it's done. So there's 2 invalid links on here. I did this before and there was only 1. So anyway, this one's invalid. And okay. I don't know where the other invalid link is, but anyway. Anyway, we're done. We checked the links. There's 1 link he'd have to fix up, and we're done. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I intend to put it up on YouTube. Stop.